Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your speaker Baseus VO20. So to enter prank mode you should press and hold on the multifunctional button right here, and if it's your first connection it automatically enters to prank mode, and now we can see it at the device list. But if you want to, if it's not your first connection and you wanna connect it with a second device, you should disconnect it on your first device and then turn off and turn on it, and it enters to pairing mode, so you can connect it with a second device. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.